down. Lie down.
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you.
Right.
Sit down.
Okay. Got it.
Alright, so you face upwards.
Yep.
Go down the ladder and you. Topside 712, my hatch is closed, top is secured, oxygen is flowing, scrubber is on, ready to set timer on your mark.
Timer on my mark in 3, 2, 1, mark.
Topside 712, my timer is set. Ocean pressure 983, buoyancy 84, stable temperature 0. So we're going to head to about 100 meters, about 330 feet. That's where the bottom is. We're just going to see what we can find. Okay, we're at 260 feet, 80 meters.
You can see the bottom there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what's that? You should see it directly in front of you now on the ground. It's white. It stands out quite a bit. Yep.
Yeah.
Sea spider. We have
Yeah.
a sea spider. That's double the size of what you're looking at. Nice white sea snail. White body, white shell. Sometimes you'll see those sea snails that have sea anemones attached to their shells. Nice feather stars on it. So as I said, the feather stars can move through the water column to find where the high areas they want to attach to. So what's going to happen, we're going to get to about 15 meters. I'm going to contact the boats at the top and they're going to ask me to send bubbles like I just did, and then we would get my location and do the top. Alright, descending from the submarine after a dive. Hello sir, welcome back to Earth.
Bye.